Welcome, and this time I'm going to talk about two Java special classes inside collection frameworks, which is the two interesting class, which is the arrays class, okay, class, okay, and collection class. So array class, okay, array class and collection class, okay, array class and collection class, and array class, okay, array class is a class that provides methods, the class that provides methods for us to work with surprisingly arrays. Okay, help us, that's what it's called. It's belonging to Java.util package. Okay, it's Java.util package. It provides utilities in forms of methods, okay, to work with arrays, okay, to work with arrays, to work with arrays. Okay, to work with arrays. And similarly, java.util.collection class is a class provides methods for us to work with collections. Okay, what does that mean? To work with, to search, to sort, so forth, lots of things, to compare to the collection, or to compare to the arrays. And I'm going to use a simple one, which is to demonstrate about the arrays class, to sort an array, let's say. Okay, so you're going to create a new Java project, and this one is gonna be array class and collections demo. Okay, array and collections demo. Okay, array and collection class demo inside Java utility. So let's just give an example. Arrays class is to work with arrays. Arrays class is to work with arrays. So I want to create an array of string. Okay, I'm gonna create an array of integer. It's easier. Okay, int. Okay, numbers equal to 3 4 2 1 6. Okay, I have an array this way, and there is a need which is to sort an array, to sort this array. Okay, there is a need which is to sort, to work with the array, which is to sort, and you have to use a complicated sorting algorithm to sort this one. Let's say if I'm using bubble sort, let's say if I'm using bubble sort. Okay, I'm gonna need to code this one this way. Sorry, this one. I'm gonna need to code this one, make a for loop from 0 up until numbers dot length. Okay, and then I'm gonna make another for loops up until numbers dot length. Okay, this one up until number blank, and this one up until number blank minus 1. Okay, and this one start from I plus 1, and this one we're going to swap the elements if the first is smaller, is greater than the second. So we do if numbers of I is greater than numbers of j. So this one we want to sort it in ascending order, so from smaller to greater. So if the numbers of r is greater than number of j, it's going to swap. Okay, swap. So you're going to declare int temp equal to numbers. Okay, numbers of I, then numbers of I equal to numbers of j, and then numbers of j equal to 10. Okay, numbers of j equal to 10. If you feel difficult to understand this algorithm, it's good that it's difficult for you to understand this one. Okay, because if you don't know this one, it is a point for you to use Java utility using Java arrays class. It's gonna help you to do the same thing. You can use arrays.sort, and it's gonna be able to sort drawer numbers. Okay, it's gonna be able to sort drawer numbers just with one line, okay, just with one line is going to be able to sort with your numbers. So first thing is, just with one line is going to be able to sort your array. And second thing is, this sort method gonna use very efficient sort algorithm, let's say quick sort, heap sort, insertion sort, or any other better sort algorithm comparing to the bubble sort like this. Okay, bubble sort is okay, one working and simple sorting algorithm, but okay, it is not very efficient. So it provides you two things. The first thing is with only one line of code, which is to sort. Okay, it's gonna be able to do lots of things like this. And second thing is, let me just create another same array. Okay, not just that array. So it's another same array, but numbers number one. Okay, and you sort numbers one. Okay, so you will see it's short code and better efficient algorithm because built by Java. Okay, and this one is the result. You're gonna make a for loops in order to you're gonna make a for loop in order to display this array. Okay, to display this array, and you'll see number, and this array will be sorted. I agree, but then the same thing here, you're gonna make another for loop to display the numbers one over there. It's also be sorted. Okay, it will also be sorted as well with just one line of code again. Okay, so this one you're going to use arrays utility. Okay, and this one you're going to use normal approach. Okay, if this one you use normal approach, you'll see. Okay, you have to make a for loops, nested for loops. Okay, difficult code and not very efficient to get the array sorted. Okay, and for this one you only need one line of code. Okay, for the data to be sorted. So if you run this one, you'll see normal approach it is sorted, and arrays utility approach is also sorted. Okay, it's also sorted. Simple. So you see that utility, and similarly, you're going to have the collections class. Okay, similarly, you're going to have collection class. Collections class from Java utility package. Okay, and you'll see the arrays provide you a lot more methods for your own convenience to work with arrays. A lot more. Okay, a lot more. You can test them all. Similar for the collections. Okay. So